Do you think only programmers can build apps? Not anymore. Watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you exactly how I build a powerful and real app with Gemini Pro 2.5. One that gives you a diet plan completely for free. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. First, we go to gemini.google.com. From the left menu, we select version 2.5 Pro. In the Ask Gemini section, we enter our prompt. I want to build an app that takes some basic user information, like height and weight, and gives me a diet plan. So here I give a simple prompt like, generate an app for a smart diet planner based on weight goals. We wait for it to build the app. This might take a little while. As you can see, it's generating all the necessary code. Even it designs the UI UX by itself. It uses React for the front end and Firebase for the backend. It also uses the Gemini API. It uses Firestore for the database as well. Writing all this code yourself from the front end to backend would take way more time than just letting AI generate it like this. Now to test the app, I'll enter some sample data. For example, the age, 25 years old, 170 centimeter height, and target weight, 60 kilogram, for example. The gender, female, the current weight, 68 kilogram, and low activity level. The primary goal can be selected from the available options: lose weight, maintain weight, or gain weight. Obviously, here we need to choose lose weight. We click on the Save Profile button. It shows a summary of our profile, and we can edit the info from the Edit Profile section. To get a daily meal plan, we click on the Generate New One-Day Diet Plan. It shows the daily calories, protein, carbs, and fat here. It also suggests a detailed daily meal plan, including what to eat and how much for each meal. For example, here for lunch, it suggests a chicken salad, which includes grilled chicken, mixed greens, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes, 1/4 avocado, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil and lemon juice. The nutritional value of this meal is also written below. We click on Save this plan and get a success message confirming it's saved. Any app generated here can be modified by writing follow-up prompts. You can add new features or even change the design. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.